Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with 7-zip, cannot open the file as archive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I would recommend doing would be to open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And I'm going to search for Winrar. WINRAR. Go ahead and open that up. And go ahead to winrar.com and go ahead and select the download WinRAR button. Select download WinRAR. And then once it's done downloading, go ahead and run the setup file and select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Accept the end user license terms and select OK. And then done. And now open up WinRAR. Select the Tools tab, and then you want to select where it says Repair Archive. Select File, and then select Open Archive. Select the file you're having the issue with, which in our case is on the desktop. I'm going to select Open, and then I'm going to select Tools, and then Repair Archive. Make sure it says Treat the corrupt archive as zip, and then you want to select the folder to put the Repair Archive. And then you would just select somewhere on the computer. I'm just going to select my Documents folder, select Folder, and then OK. And then it should say Done once it's finished. And if you close out of all these windows, and we open up the Documents folder, it should be in here. It should say Rebuilt in front of it. So hopefully at this point it should have been able to resolve the issue. And you can also use WinRAR as well in lieu of 7-zip if you choose to do so. But like I said, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.